So welcome to technical drawing NECO. We asked on enlarge this square because all the sides are the same in 4:6. So you start by drawing the original figure first. So let's draw a square of side 40. So I will start by using my T-square to draw a faint line. So let's assume this is my T-square now. I'll project a faint line and mark out 40. So on this line I will mark out my 40 mm. So let me take here as 0.0. Here is now 40. So I will take in that length 0 to 40. I will take in this length now 8.0 to 40. Then I will draw my perpendicular line from the edges. So I'll put my T-square and Z-square, place it here. I will draw a faint line, extend here. I will draw another faint line. And in both edges I will mark out 40. Come here to mark out 40 mm. Then I also mark out 40 from here. Mark out 40 mm from here. So I will take in from here to here and take in from here to here. Then I will join both sides to form the square. So I will label according to how you will label A, B, C, and D. So what I will do next is to draw any slant line from this point. You can slant it at any angle you want. Draw any slant line and mark out the highest ratio. The highest ratio is 6. So I'll mark out 6 equal points. So I will start by putting my ruler, or you can use a pair of compass if you want. I'll mark 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, so I will label 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So since the first actual drawing is ratio 4, I will join point 4 to B. Join point 4 to B. I'll do my line transfer. I will transfer point 4 to point 6 by placing slant my 2 Z-square here in this one manner. I will slant it till I get to point 6. Make sure it's accurate, it's not shifting. Slant it till I get to point 6. This is point 6. So where it was 0.6, that is now my new B. I will call it B prime. So what I will do next is to radiate a line from point A to pass through point C. I will radiate a line from here, pass through point C, radiate a line from A to pass through point D also. So I will take in from new old B to the new B. Taking this way. Then I will do my line transfer. I will transfer the old B, line BC, now the old BC to new C. I'll put my Z-square here, support with in my ruler another Z-square. I will transfer this point now to the new B. This is this point. In this manner. So here is now my new C. I will transfer from new C, from the old C to the new C. Put it this way. Shift it this manner. Here's now the old D. Here's now the old D. So what I will do next is just to take in the figure. And taking from here to here. So this is solution to question 1. So let's move to question 2.